NexCOBOT's products prioritize customer needs, offering unique hardware and software solutions, and excelling in the market with distinctive features and successful case studies. NexCOBOT has developed a comprehensive series of embedded automation systems, including COM Express FORM Factor integrating an MXM graphic acceleration module onto the carrier board, and supporting real-time operating systems in either Linux or Windows. It also incorporates HD-based technology, improving screen and data transmission efficiency and enhancing 3D graphics performance. NexCOBOT also offers wide-temperature design and rugged enclosures customized with different I/O connectivities. The RCB100 features versatile I/O options and remarkable expandability, serving diverse industrial and collaborative robot needs from sensors to equipment connections. The RCB600 is tailored for AMRs, with versatile I/O options and real-time OS support. It enhances AMR performance in automation and logistics across different industries. The GRC2 robot control system can be connected to robotic arms, integrating NEIO-I/OS motors, teach pendant for intuitive robot control. NexCOBOT's SCB100 ensures AMR safety by receiving signals from various safety devices, assessing risks, and triggering safety stops when needed. NexCOBOT provides key safety controller building blocks, certified Intel processor, integrated safety interfaces, and software kernel. Users can focus on developing custom software applications to meet their needs. NexCOBOT, your one-stop shop for embedded automation system.